hour and a half out. We have reservations at Point Hudson Marina and RV Park. So you can dock your boat there, or you can dock your RV there. And it's right on the water, right in downtown, which is super nice. And then we have my mom's ashes burial tomorrow. But today, when we get there, we're gonna go to the funeral home. They're going to separate out a little bit of the ashes so we don't bury all of them, so I can carry some with me. And then we will bury the rest in a ceremony tomorrow. Lots to do. The most massive American flag ever.
Gray but beautiful day here in Port Townsend. We're gonna go walk into town and get some coffee, maybe something to eat.
You like it?
My iced cafe latte.
Those are our bagels right there.
Pieces look good. Good slices.
Yep. Straight out of New York. Yum. It's perfect. My mom passed away in New York the year Aaron and I got married. It was devastating, and we left the city behind for the comfort of home and family in Washington State. What we didn't realize was what we would discover on the way: our love of traveling within our own country and the open road. The journey began in desperation, to leave the hurt behind and go back to the familiar.
We packed up all our belongings in a 16-foot Penske truck and headed west with Pam. What we discovered was an entire world we had never seen before and a life we wanted but didn't know how to obtain. As the days and miles stretched on, our conviction that what we were doing in that moment was right increased. It wouldn't be until 2020 that we found the solution to what we didn't fully understand all those years back in 2016.
Grant that Ginger, our mother, sister, and aunt, may sleep here in peace.
My mom grew up in Port Townsend, and we buried her next to her mother. It took many years to make this decision, but just as our move to full-time RV living just felt right, so did giving my mom a permanent place to call home next to someone who gave her as much love growing up as she did for me. Hi! Do you know how cute you are? Hi, babies. Oh, they have a little hole. They have a little hole in the fence that they walk through. How cute. Oh yeah, I didn't realize that either.
All the time.
Did we see her at all? Like, I guess maybe
Well,
not.
she in her final years, the last 2 or 3 years of her life, she was in a
Oh, that's
nursing home,
right.
and then
That's
and
right.
really kind of intensive kind of hospice care kind of thing. So, I mean, she was not really with us for that.
Hey.
It was a really, so it's a double one.
Mm-hmm. That's where AC is. It's a little late. We already ate. Looks like that ferry's coming right for us.
Hi, it's us too.
Hello.
Hi.
We are here in lovely Port Townsend, Washington, by the ocean.
Get a quick shot of the ocean. There it is. That's the ocean.
And we're spending our last evening in Port Townsend next to the water, about to enjoy the sunset.
Yeah, taking a nice walk along the shore here. It's beautiful, sunny, cool temperatures, as lovely as it gets.
Couldn't be more cool.
Yeah.
No hot days.